You just bought an apartment or plot of land in your dream neighborhood, but sometimes the home building experience is way too stressful. From finding the right contractor to the perfect interior designer, it's tough to get the right team.
Homeowners do have a lot of issues with doing a renovation or building a home, and I really started I've been doing this now for 20 years as a general contractor, and the one thing I really started noticing that became frustrating for myself was while you're actually in the middle of construction, all these new things pop up, new parties they have to hire, new people they have to interview, and it's always like a special inspector, a structural engineer, an expediter, a surveyor. So all these different entities come into actually doing one of these projects. And no one's ever really clear about this in the beginning to a homeowner. Well, the whole idea of construction concierge is it's just something where a homeowner can hire us and they have one point of contact. Anything they need, it's one person they're speaking to. If they have any questions, if any samples need to be brought to them for approval, it's literally one person, one phone number that's available pretty much 24/7. And that's where the concierge concept comes in.
Beaulive takes luxury construction to a whole new level. From inception to completion, they can find you the right team, one you can rely on.
Beaulive was started a couple of years ago. I just figured, why not just make it a one-stop shop for these people and make their life easy? You know, we'll give them a date to move in. They come in, we give them their keys, and their home is ready. It's decorated, furniture's there. They really don't have to worry about a thing.
Beaulive also wants to get to know your lifestyle, your needs, your wants. It has a lot to do with the way we lay your house or apartment out. It has a lot to do with the finishes. So I think that's one of the main things when it comes to interior design, that I like to get to know the client before anything is even spoken about.
The process with Beaulive is easy and simple. You can be as hands-on or as hands-off as you'd like to be throughout the whole design.
We actually use a project management software called Procore that sends out a daily PDF via email to the client, and there's photos there, progress reports, anything that's happened, any delays, any inspections, any deliveries. Everything's on a daily report, so they actually know what's happening.
We deal with all different types of clients, so everyone is unique and different. Most of the time, I actually like when the client, works with me. So I know that, at the same point, it's not just like a shock to them when they come in, they see the finished product and they're a little upset. So I actually enjoy working with the client hands-on. We both, I think, gain a lot from that.
People should definitely choose Beaulive because it does make their life easier. It's one point of contact, and it will enable people to live their lives and have their own time to live, take care of their kids, work, and not have to manage a project. It's literally a second job, so we take that away.
If you're ready to take advantage of the construction concierge model, visit beaulive.com or watch this segment again on designingspaces.tv.